Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to remove Facebook profile picture. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And from here, head over to your profile. And if you scroll down, or you can just head over to your profile picture from here by tapping on your profile picture. And from here, just tap on see profile picture. And here you can see my profile picture. You can save it to your phone. From here, you can also delete it. So how can you delete it? Just tap on the three dots on the top right. And here tap on delete photo. This layout will arrive in front of you that says, are you sure you want to delete this photo? So confirm that you want to delete it. And once you do it, your profile picture will be deleted. So I'm just refreshing it. Then my profile picture will be deleted. So yeah, this is how you can do that too. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.